Silicone is a synthetic polymer made up of silicon, oxygen, and other elements, most typically carbon and hydrogen. Silicone is generally a liquid or flexible rubber-like plastic and has a number of useful properties, such as low toxicity and high heat resistance. It also provides good electrical insulation. It also has water repellent property, which means that water won't form and attach to each other on its surface. And thermal property, which means that it can withstand hot and cold weather. Silicone can be used in many ways, such as in the medical field. Silicone can be found in implants, catheters, contact lenses, bandages, and a variety of other things. You can also find silicone in a number of personal care items, including shampoos and shaving cream. Due to its high heat resistance, silicone makes up a lot of kitchenware, such as oven mitts, tongs, and pan handles. Silicone's non-stick properties also make it useful for cookware coatings. Additionally, the material's heat resistance and slipperiness make it an ideal lubricant for automotive parts as a lubricating spray or grease.
For this project, making the silicone model, we use much material. The main material that we use for sure is silicone. We have a limited amount of silicone to use. Our silicone used for making a mold and the shape of our model, which is the Captain America. So in our group, we plan to do the mold first and then make it into the shape of Captain America later. So about the mold, so first we wet the silicone and mix it together. Then we add the color and the decoration. And we leave it for 3 days, and it's gonna leave at a hard mold, hard shape of mold of the Captain America. Later, we repeat the same method. We mix the silicone and mix it with the color, which are blue and red as the main color to symbolize Captain America. Then we fill the silicone into a hard mold and we leave it for 2 days. After 2 days, then we get our model.
For this Silicone project, our group made a product which was the model for Captain America. Firstly, we were assigned to design the product or what we would make out from silicone. Then, we started to calculate and estimate for the amount of silicone we needed to use. We then started to mix the silicone and made the product. The problem we were facing was that our model had too many details in it, which was hard for us to shape them out, so we decided to remove the shield from Captain's body. The product came out kind of successful, but the only problem was that Captain's arm did not come out properly, because we might not coat them with the dishwashing soap that well, so it stuck inside a silicone cylinder. Overall, it was very fun and I have learned a lot of things from it, including problem-solving skills, teamwork skill, and creativity. Making a video was also another stuff I need to tackle. All of them relate to the SLOs, strategic learners, innovative thinkers, and leaders of the future. Since we work in a team to come up with a creative idea and solve problems during our process.
Our model is the Pann America, which has a lot of detail, so we decided to use silicone to make a mold instead of clay. Firstly, we start by rubbing soap over the model, then mixing silicone and put it into a cup. After that, put the model in and leave it dry overnight. Next, we take silicone out of the cup and cut it into half, and take the model out and make a hole on the top of it. Then we coat the mold with soap and let it dry. After that, we mix silicone and put glue color and glitter in it, and then pour it into the mold and leave it overnight. After leaving it overnight, we take out the product. I think this project is really challenging because we have to decide what to make and how we are going to make that our product would be useful. What I think the hardest part is taking out the product, because my group has a person model which have arms and legs, so we have to carefully taking it out without tearing it, and we didn't coat the mold very well so that the silicone that we pour stick to the mold, and we accidentally tear its arms. Overall, I think my group succeeds even the model doesn't come out completely.
In this silicone project, our teacher assigned us to choose to make a model. In our group, we choose to do Captain America. We make the plan and find the method to make this project. But the project doesn't go quite well. There's some problem that we face. First is the model problem. The problem is that we cannot take the silicone out very easily because we didn't take the soap very quite well. The second thing is about the timing. Every day there will be at least one member who is missing in our group, so that make our work not go very well. But this helped me learn many things in this project. I learned about the teamwork and also the time management. This project teach me that we need to manage the time very well. If we not manage the time very well, there will be a problem later on. And the SLO is that the innovative thinker and the strategic learner. So for the strategic learner, we learn how to plan and the method, so we can make our work go like what we want. And for the innovative thinker, it's about the creativity.